Whoa. Vertex King's Moisturize Deep Black. Whoa.
Yeah, thank you for waiting. Oh, sorry, man.
So, you will get those boxes?
If you just drop it here, I can just bring all the boxes inside the house so you can get going. I took Gohan for a morning walk, but then I dropped him off at my parents and I've been gone for like an hour. And the truck driver with the Vertex steering wheels has been chilling at our house waiting for me for an hour.
Whoa. Vertex King's Moisturize Deep Black. Let's go.
Damn, I'm actually so excited. Should we open one up? Well, we have to figure out the numbers too. Unless, oh, they're numbered on the outside. This is perfect. Number 31, down 29. So that means, let me turn some lights on in here. So that means our prototype, our 001 out of 50, actually doesn't count. This is a prototype. So whoever ordered the very first steering wheel actually gets number 1. I can probably get started on printing the order sheets off for these, and we can use the rest of today to actually start packaging some of these up, or if not all of them. But we actually have to go through the effort of emailing all of the people who have ordered one of these to ask them what their size in t-shirts is, because anyone who did end up ordering one of these actually gets their own Vertex King's Moisturize t-shirt. So we need to know what size you guys are. All right. Number 22. I'm sorry, but now It's Birdie / King's Moisturize has touched your steering wheel. Okay, I'll be super careful. I just kind of want to take a peek. This is called quality control. As soon as you open it, official T&E company limited product. Little peek, little peek. Goddamn. Whoa. Number 22. Crazy. Oh, there it is, guys. This is how you know this is an official Vertex product, is if it has this holographic T&E sticker. Of course, came with a horn button, but this is one of the main reasons why it was delayed, was because Japan factory forgot to send the horn buttons with the pallet. Alright, we're using the MDX to go to the garage. Okay, so this is what it looks like in the deep cul-de-sacs. Not too bad. Pros and cons. Pros, actually there are none. Cons, people get stuck. Oh shit, that's one con. I have to reverse now, mother. This snow has made 2 lanes into 1. So, people have to take turns going in and out of neighborhoods. Okay to park here. Alright. Still think that decal on the door is a little too big, but whatever. Sweet.
Hey.
What's up, dude?
So, fortunately, we have a furnace problem.
Oh, is that why it's a little...
Chilly in here.
Oh, what happened? Alright, we back. What up, Ed? Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas to you.
Happy early New Year, I guess. What are you up to?
Refreshing these taillights.
What is this for? A Sylvia, it looks like? 240. Yeah, 240 taillight for sure. Oh, this one's super clean. Good job. Oh, guys, the RX-8 is so lonely. Well, actually, all my cars are lonely, especially during this season. But I promise we're gonna get back to the Battle Arrow spoiler installation, maybe tomorrow. It's just today, I'm on a time crunch. Kind of just going down my list. But let's go say hi to the other fellas and grab our stickers. Okay, see you in a bit, homie. Open sesame. Whoa, it's so bright in here. What the heck? Yo! What up? You got a new jacket. Yo, what's up, dude? Yay! Damn, so much brighter in here. This is nice.
Imagine if life was a game. Imagine if all this is fake.
Yo, did this already run out of batteries?
Yeah.
Damn.
Yeah.
Well, I guess it's consistently on, right?
Yeah, I was thinking of putting in a wired one.
I see you, I see you. Oh man, I'm excited for these. Okay, chill. Yes! Damn! These guys work quick. This is what's awesome about having our own in-house printer. Stickers can be made in days. Not even like one night turnaround. Cool, thanks, Sonny. Come here, buddy. Come here, homie. Oh, okay. Yeah. Man, now I know these guys can crush these stickers out in a matter of a night. I'm gonna just give them all of my work. So we'll quickly install these banners and get out of here because we got so much other stuff we gotta take care of at home, including chores. I gotta clean the house. Alright, homie, wanna help me install stickers? Let's go. Pretty simple, it's just gonna go right here. Don't even think I'm gonna need a step stool. But the harder one, we're gonna need the tall ladder, which is where the 88-inch banner is supposed to go. Right there. That way when we take photos here, you can kind of see the brand in the background. These guys gave me the idea. Sweet. Should flatten that out a little bit though. Oopsies. There you go. Hello, doggy. Where'd you learn to sit like that? All right, now time for the big one. What do you think? Still gotta take the transfer tape off. It's just the transfer tape that these guys are using, or like it's the super high-end, super tacky stuff. So you gotta make sure that the surface you're putting the sticker on is really well prepped, which I forgot to actually wipe that down. So partly my fault too. But yeah, you guys get a small idea. It doesn't seem so blank now because it ties in the white bottom part to the top. But yeah, it's just more so for the branding purposes when we take photos inside this garage. Continue that tomorrow. Cool, Ed. I'm gonna call it an early one. We'll see ya.
See you tomorrow.
Have a good night, man. Grab these. Bye to these guys. Catch you later, man. Gonna say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Peace out, Steve. Have a good night, man. Yo, this way, dude. This way. Show me, come on. What the? Can't forget my stickers. See you, dude. Alright, we're back. But the chores. We actually haven't done groceries in a minute. We're gonna quickly go to Superstore before it closes and grab some necessities, or some sustenance, I like to say. I got that from the Thor movie, okay? Basically means energy. But let's switch to GoPro mode. Alright, we're here at Superstore. I'm gonna try to make this quick. I am looking for rice. First I was wondering why everyone was smiling at me, but now I know. This is it. One sec. And now we take you to the unhealthy aisle. Oops!
This is the healthy one.
One healthy and then one unhealthy one. What? Even Tim Hortons has their own cereal now. You have chocolate Cheerios? Or is that not unhealthy enough? Oh, this is family size. We're not a family. Easy.
Oops. Thanks.
Jump in there.
Okay, for the camera. Oh, just kidding. I would've. COVID wasn't happening. Yep. Oops.
Frozen dinners.
3 hungry men and 1 hungry woman. Let's go to the dessert aisle. Come on, come on. I like shepherd's pie.
Dude, that's good. These are like 2 dinners.
I get to choose the dessert today. Yo, mochi, white version mochi. All right, see you guys at home. Hi. What the heck? Okay, give you attention too. Look. Guess what that is?
Oh, Queen's Gambit?
Yeah.
Just because I self-checked.
Yeah. Yo, I have no idea why these guys hung this up. This is unfinished. This one's cool though. Okay, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Right now? No. They're playing. Come on, homie. This? Like that? Okay, good night, Mom. Come on, guys. Hey. Alright, say bye to your friend. Shane thought I was gonna leave Gohan in the car. We were gonna try to make him a maze and see if he can figure out his way. We can do it something like this. So he has to start like ding ding. This is just a super basic maze. Oh man, yeah, I wish. That's not even a maze. Okay, chill.
Good the way it was.
Oh, yours was like that. Yeah. You haven't watched that, have you?
Nope.
What kind of maze? Alright, man. Okay, once I go on, I'm gonna release you. We set up a maze for you, okay? Once I go on. Alright, homie?
Used it first.
Oh,
Yeah, dude, he actually tried to go there first.
yeah, I know. I saw. Dang, we gotta make this way more complicated. Good job, dude. That was too easy.
Level 1.
Level 1. Alright, time to unload. You hungry, dude? Watch. This kid knows the call. There you go, homie. Alright, guys. I think I'm just gonna end this video. Just put away the groceries. In all honesty, me and Shane both don't have all that much time to cook, and we wish we had some sort of chef that we could hire. I guess there's those companies out there that are prep meal ready, like those frozen dinners, but haven't really looked into those guys yet. I actually kind of like to cook, but I wish I had the time to do it. Sometimes to make a simple dinner can take you like 40 minutes to an hour. Go on. Unless it's like sodium-filled ramen, which is usually what I do. This is like 2 minutes. So yeah, just gonna put the rest of these groceries away, but I guess I can just end this video too. Appreciate you guys for following me on this day in the life, I guess you could call it. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on the next video. Peace.